of the skull, okay? If we look right here, I'm just going to remove this to make it easier for you to view. This right here is the superior sagittal sinus. Does everybody understand that? That's the superior sagittal sinus. And right down below, this right here is the inferior sagittal sinus. Okay, so superior sagittal sinus, inferior sagittal sinus. They both drain into this right here, which is the straight sinus. So everybody see that right there? That's the straight sinus. From the straight sinus, there's the straight sinus, okay, right in there. There's the straight sinus, right in there. It drains back toward this right here, which we see right here. And the name of that structure was called, everybody remember?
Confluence.
Confluence of sinuses. Excellent, the confluence of sinuses. From the confluence of sinuses, it drains to this one, which is the transverse sinus, which you guys have seen before, the transverse sinus. And then we have this one that goes down, it's that S-shaped, which is called the what? Sigmoid sinus. Okay, so this is just another model representing the same thing. To give you an idea of where exactly the superior and inferior sagittal sinus are draining from, the other one shows it a little bit better. Actually, this is good. Okay, everybody see it now? Does that make a little bit more sense? Okay, so when I remove this, everybody see the way the brain is oriented in relationship to the superior and the inferior sagittal sinuses? Everybody see that? Okay. Okay. So again, all the blood from the brain is going to drain into the internal jugular vein. Everything that's superficial is going to drain into the where? External jugular vein. Okay? Then from there, subclavian, brachiocephalic, and then into the superior vena cava. Now, you have a left brachiocephalic vein and you have a right brachiocephalic vein. You have a left and a right brachiocephalic vein. But when you get to the artery and you talk about the brachiocephalic trunk, you only have one brachiocephalic trunk. Okay? So one brachiocephalic artery, two brachiocephalic veins. Okay? Okay, next. Some basic thing. What is the name of this vessel right here? Pulmonary vein. And this one right here? Pulmonary artery. Excellent. Okay? Now, when we look at the, let's do the, where's the brown heart? Let me have the brown heart for a minute. You guys can hit stop on your recording.